In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog post in Payhip in 2026. First, open your Payhip dashboard. From the dashboard, look toward the top menu bar and click Store. Inside the Store area, choose Blog Posts. This is the hub for everything you publish. To begin, click Add New Blog Post to open the editor and start creating. Begin with the title. Type a clear, descriptive headline that tells readers exactly what the post covers. Short, specific titles work best, especially when they appear on your storefront or in search results. If you're highlighting a product or answering a common question, include those keywords naturally so people instantly know what they'll get. Now move to the content field and write the body of your post. You can type directly into the editor and use the formatting tools for headings, emphasis, and links. Keep paragraphs brief, add subheadings to guide readers through the sections, and use lists sparingly to make key points pop. If you're pasting from another document, clean up any extra spacing, then proofread to fix typos and tighten the flow. Consider linking to relevant products or past articles to help readers discover more on your store. If the text looks too big or too small, adjust the font size and style in the editor. Keep heading levels consistent. Use a larger style for section titles and a regular style for body text, so your post looks professional and easy to scan on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the writing, scroll to the image area and upload a blog post image. Choose a high-quality landscape image that represents your topic well. Make sure you have the right to use it. Keep the file size reasonable for fast loading and pick something that will look good as a thumbnail on your blog list. A simple, uncluttered visual often performs best. Next, set the visibility. If you're still polishing the post, keep it hidden or as a draft so it won't appear publicly. If it's ready for readers, set it to visible so it shows up on your live blog right away. Assign the post to the correct blog using the drop-down. This organizes your content and ensures it appears in the right place on your store. Before publishing, take a final moment to review your title, content, formatting, image, visibility, and blog selection. When everything looks great, click Add Blog Post to publish. Your article will appear under Blog Posts, and you can return anytime to edit, update, or unpublish it. That's it. Your Payhip blog post is live. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.